Okay guys, so this is an unboxing. I just got home and this box was on the table waiting for me. I really don't know what it is. I know who it's from. It's from Airgun Pro Shop. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and see what I've got. Oh, it's kind of heavy. And kind of hard to pull out the box. Okay, I might struggle with this for a few minutes, guys. Ugh. Maybe I need to call for help. Ugh. I don't think I've ever received one in a case before, so I am super intrigued if I ever get it out the box. Let me go get help. Hey, babe? Babe? Will you come help me, please?
Hold the box?
Yes, I can't get it out. Okay. Oh. Hold on. Get a grip. All right. Oh, hold on. Great gosh, how'd they get it in this box? Oh, that's much easier. Wow, I get to see it before you guys get to see it, so thank you. Oh, now I got ties. Oh my, it is one I've been waiting for. I heard I was gonna get it. You guys heard I was gonna get it. Check it out. It's from Air Arms. The Air Arms S510XS. Rick did a video on it. Now I get to do some. Pretty awesome. Thank you, Airgun Pro Shop.